Want to create jaw-dropping motion graphics, stunning visual effects, or cinematic animations? It all starts with one crucial step, installing Adobe After Effects. But don't worry, whether you're a first-timer or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the entire process in just a few minutes. Let's dive in.
Before we begin, make sure your computer meets Adobe's requirements. After Effects loves power, so you'll need a decent processor, at least 16 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes for smoother performance, and a solid graphics card. Oh, and don't forget, Windows 10 or later, or macOS 10.14 or higher. Got that covered? Perfect. After Effects isn't a solo player. It's part of the Adobe Creative Cloud family. So first, head over to adobe.com, click Creative Cloud, and download the installer. Once it's ready, run the setup, sign in with your Adobe ID, or create one if you're new. Now, the magic begins. Find After Effects and hit Install. Grab a coffee. This might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Pro tip: if you're low on space, customize your install location beforehand. Once installed, click Open and boom. Welcome to After Effects. If you have a subscription, you're golden. If not, Adobe offers a 7-day free trial. Plenty of time to test drive its power. Just remember to sign in when prompted. Before you start creating, let's optimize. Go to Preferences greater than Memory and Performance and allocate more RAM if you have it. Also, under Media and Disk Cache, set up a fast SSD for smoother playback. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And that's it. You're now ready to unleash your creativity with Adobe After Effects. From mind-blowing VFX to sleek motion graphics, the possibilities are endless. So what are you waiting for? Start creating and let your imagination run wild. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you need help. See you in the next one.